In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss on Forex.com. A stop loss is your safety net. It tells the platform to automatically close your trade at a specific price so that a losing position doesn't get out of hand. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to choose a sensible level, and how to place your trade with confidence. First, open the order or deal ticket for the currency pair you want to trade. This is the small window where you set all the details of your order. Make sure you're looking at the correct instrument and that your ticket reflects whether you intend to buy or sell, because your stop-loss level depends on that direction. Next, enter your trade size. On Forex.com, size is typically specified in lots or units. One standard lot equals 100,000 units of the base currency, but you can also trade mini or micro sizes. Keep risk in mind here. A larger size increases your pip value, which means every pip the market moves will have a bigger impact on your profit or loss. Now, find the stop loss, sometimes labeled SL, on the ticket. It's usually a dedicated field where you can type a price. Think of this as the price that says, if the market reaches here, close me out. For a buy trade, the stop loss will be below your entry price. For a sell trade, it will be above your entry price. That's a quick way to sanity check that you've placed it on the correct side of the market. Enter the price level where you want the trade to close. Choose a level that reflects your plan, not your hopes. Many traders pick a price just beyond a recent swing high or low, or at a level that invalidates their idea if reached. Consider the average volatility of the pair, so normal market noise doesn't knock you out prematurely, and estimate your potential loss by multiplying the distance to your stop by your pip value. That way, the amount at risk fits your overall money management rules. Finally, click Place Trade. The platform will submit your order with the stop loss attached, and you'll see it reflected on your ticket, and in most cases, on your chart. Remember, a standard stop loss isn't guaranteed. In fast markets, you may experience slippage, meaning the fill can occur slightly beyond your set price. That's all there is to it. Open the ticket, enter size, locate the SL field, set your price, and place the trade. With a clear plan and a properly set stop loss, you're trading with discipline rather than emotion.